Welcome to a presentation of CAT4's Teacher Resource Manual. This presentation will help you link the objectives being assessed in CAT4 to activities that teachers can integrate into their classroom routines. After CAT4 testing has been completed, scored, and reports have been sent back, what does all of this mean to the classroom teacher? How is the data useful in informing instruction and in the implementation of resources? Today, we will be using our Objective Competency Report, not only to help teachers understand their CAT4 data, but also to help guide teachers in the use of our Teacher Resource Manual. This is a classroom report that classifies students' abilities by using L's, C's, and P's. L is for low, meaning that the student has met few to none of the end-of-grade level expectations. C is for competent, which means that the student has met some to most of those end-of-grade level expectations. And P is for proficient, meaning that the student has met most to all of those end-of-grade level expectations. Level 15 assesses the skills and knowledge expected to be acquired by the end of grade 5. Some teachers, however, may have administered CAT4 at a level that does not align or correspond to the student's registered grade. It is important to remember that criterion reference scores, the L's, C's, and P's, refer to the expectations of the grade level of the CAT4 test. Teachers can use the Objective Competency Report to review one student's progress. Teachers can readily see how many of the learning objectives the student has mastered from the grade being tested. Teachers can also use the Objective Competency Report to review the entire class's understanding of a certain learning objective. These objectives can be found on a number of our CAT4 reports. Upon closer inspection, we can see that almost half of these students ranked low in conventions as they pertain to reading. This may be a learning objective that a teacher sees mirrored in his or her own assessments and observations. In order to formulate an action plan around conventions that apply to reading, we can use the CAT4 Teacher Resource Manual to help us identify activities and exercises that may help our students. Although inextricably connected, reading and writing are different processes that can develop at different rates in each individual. For this reason, the Language Arts section of the Teacher Resource Manual has been organized into two parts, reading and writing. There are 4 easy steps to using the Teacher Resource Manual for language. First, locate from any of our CAT4 reports the objective that you will be focusing on. Then, find the objective in the table of contents of our Teacher Resource Manual. Go to those pages and locate the appropriate level. And finally, select an activity or exercise. Many of our exercises and activities include modifications and differentiations to accommodate different learning and teaching styles. CAT4 is aligned to general math and language arts curricula. Our curriculum experts have, however, created curriculum match tables that align your provincial ministry's expectations and outcomes to CAT4 test items. Please visit our webpage and look for your province. Our Teacher Resource Manual also has many activities and exercises for math. Just follow 4 easy steps to find one that is helpful for your students. In the back of our Teacher Resource Manual, we have blackline masters for your convenience. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. We hope that it has been helpful.